Now we will continue with how does wind blow. Sun heats the land during the day. The air above the land also gets heated. Warm air is lighter and rises up. Cool air from above rushes in to take its place. This causes wind to blow. When the wind blows slowly, it is called breeze. When the wind blows fast, is called wind. Underline these two. Very fast blowing wind is called storm. Storm can uproot trees, blow off things. Try it yourself on activity they have given. Take a candle, light it with help of matchstick. Turn the candle in the position as they have given in this or shown in this figure. What you will notice that the flame of the candle always burn upward. Ventilators are made close to the ceiling so that hot air that we breathe out can go out through them. Land gets heated faster, also cools down faster as compared to water. Try it yourself. Take some water in a bowl and sand in another bowl. Place them in the sun for half an hour. Touch the water and sand with your hands. What you will notice that sand gets heated more than water. Next, place both these bowls inside the room. Again touch both the sand and water after half an hour. You will notice that the sand has cooled down faster than the water. Now we will discuss sea breeze. During the daytime, the land gets heated faster than the water in the sea. The air above the land gets heated and rises. The water in the sea is still cool. Cool air from above the sea blows toward the land to take the place left by the warm water. Land breeze. At night, land cools down faster than the water. The water is still warm. The air above the water is warm and rises up. The cool air above the land rushes in to take its place. The speed of wind can be measured by an anemometer. Exercise. State of matter that does not have a definite volume is solid, liquid, gas, all of these gas. B part. Slow blowing wind is called wind, breeze, storm, air. Breeze. Air contains 78% oxygen, 21% nitrogen, 78% nitrogen, all of them. Correct answer, 78% nitrogen. The air contains 0.03% of the gas, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Sea breeze blows during the day, during the night, throughout the day, none of these. During the day. True, false. Air is not matter. False. The intermolecular force is the least in gases. True. Liquid have a definite shape. False. Liquid have a definite volume. True. Land heats faster than water. True. Places near sea have higher humidity. True. Phillips dash have a definite shape and volume. Solid. The intermolecular force is maximum in dash. Answer is solids. C part. Dash take the shape of the container they are kept in. Liquids. D. Dash breeze blows during the night. Land. E. All matter is made up of tiny particles called dash molecules. F. Dash air is light and rises hot. G. The process of sedimentation and decantation are used to separate dash impurities present in water. Insoluble. Let's continue with the question answer. Distinguish between solid, liquid and gases. Note down solid, fixed shape and size. Second point, cannot flow. Third point, rigid and cannot be compressed a lot. Fourth, definite volume. Example, pencil table, apple tree. Liquid, no fixed shape and take the shape of the container. Second, can flow from higher to lower level, not rigid and cannot be compressed easily. Definite volume, example milk, water, soup, juice. Gas, no fixed shape and size, can flow in all direction, not rigid and can be compressed easily, no definite volume. Wind, fog, steam, air. B part, write a short note on composition of air and support your answer with the pie chart, means diagram. Page number 47, composition of air. This one is the diagram for this answer. Air is a mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particle. The atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 1% of other gases, 0.03% carbon dioxide, helium, argon and neon. Up to this you will write this answer. Explain how the wind blows. Page number 47. The air above the land also heated. Warm air is lighter and rises up. Cool air from above rushes in to take its place. This causes wind to blow. And you will draw this diagram also with this answer. D part, explain how sea breeze blows. Support your answer with the diagram. See page number 48. During the daytime, the land gets heated faster than the water in the sea. The air above the land gets heated and rises. The water in the sea is still cool. Cool air from above the sea blows toward the land to take the place left by the warm air, and diagram you will draw with this. Explain how land breeze blows. Support your answer with the diagram. Page 48. At night the land cools down faster than the water. The water is still warm. The air above the water is warm and rises up. The cool air above the land rushes in to take its place, and this diagram you will draw. Define the term breeze, humidity, storm, matter. See the page number 49. From new words you will write the answer. First one, breeze, when the wind blows slowly. Second one, humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air at a given time. Third one, storm, when the wind blows very fast. Fourth, matter, anything that occupies space or has weight. H part, explain the process of filtration using a filter paper to remove insoluble impurities present in water. Page number 47. Take a filter paper and fold it twice to make a cone out of it. Place this in a glass funnel. Place a beaker under the funnel. Pour some muddy water in the filter paper in the funnel. We will observe clear water dripping into the beaker placed below the funnel. The insoluble impurities remain on the filter paper. Hots. First, why are places in coastal area cooler during the day compared to places in the plain? Due to sea breeze. Second, Rohit says pain and happiness are not matter. Do you agree with him? Explain. Yes, because these are the emotions. Blow your mind. Why are air conditioners put on the walls near the ceiling in rooms? The air conditioners are fitted near the ceiling so that cold air from the AC takes the place of hot air rising up from the bottom. In this way, the entire room gets cooled.